Hi, Paul Connor again. Let's talk about rolling shutters. You ever think about hurricane season? People have these windows and doors, hurricanes coming in. What is the very first thing they do? They probably run down to Home Depot or Lowe's or one of the big box stores and get all this plywood and start boarding up their windows and doors. You know what the smart people do? They press a button. And then they walk away. They're not running down the streets in a mad panic. They have metallic, rolling shutters on the outside of their windows and doors. All right, we're in California. We don't have hurricanes. I understand that. Well, what do we have here? Let's see. We have light. We have heat. We have noise. It does get a little chilly. We have a lot of things that these rolling shutters will certainly be an antidote for. For instance, beautiful thing is you roll these things. Press a button, you can stop it anywhere that you want. So let's address each of these issues. Let's talk about cold. Interesting thing about European rolling shutters is the original shutters were developed in Germany maybe as long as 200 years ago. And the reason they were developed is people would go to bed at night and literally freeze to death in their homes. What they figured out is you put something on the outside before you go to bed, you roll it down, and wow, the heat doesn't escape as long. So their heating system was much more efficient. Okay, that works here too, even in California. Let's talk about light. Light comes in through your windows and doors, UV rays, heats up your house, tears up your floors, bleaches your furniture and your artwork. Heck, it can even harm yourself. Put the shutters down, you block the light, you block the heat. Now you can have as much light or heat as you want. All I'm saying is that we have with these shutters the ability to control light, control heat at your desire. Now, let's talk about wind. Even though we don't have hurricanes here, we do have storms. We have these things on either side of the valley called mountains. We have a lot of residents that are up in the mountainous areas. Heck, I just talked to one lady, and she lives up on one of the hillsides, overlooks the bay, and she was saying that she has winds that come up and swoop up and literally top out at over 100 miles an hour. And then her windows start going in and out, and they're pulsating. She goes, "What can I do?" You can put some metallic rolling shutters on the outside. That's what she did. There's no more pulsating of the windows. She found something else that was really interesting too. Where she lives at, there's a lot of wildlife, and they put on quite a show at night and kept her entire family up all night long. Well, what they also found out is when they rolled the shutters all the way down, closed everything up, that noise went away.
This is a hillside, so we have deers, turkeys, and owls at nighttime, and all kinds of animals here. So at nighttime, the owls make a lot of noises, okay? We could not sleep, and sometimes my husband needed to get up and then to use the flashlight to chase them away. And after we install the shutter, and they block out the noise, and so we can rest really well at nighttime. Yeah, and I really enjoyed it.
So what do we do next? Why don't you give us a call? Let's talk about this. Perhaps this is a great product, a great solution for you. Give us a call, we'll come down, we'll give you a free consultation, and we'll take a look. Maybe this is the right product for you.